Students, now you will study physics, class 12 physics, first chapter, electric charges and fields. First try to understand units of charge. Charge क्या consider करोगे? दो units consider करो. Charge, you know, charge can flow from one body to another body. Charge can flow from higher potential to lower potential. So units, you can see units of charge, in which unit you will measure charge, CGS system and SI unit. In CGS system, unit of charge is state coulomb, STAT, state coulomb, or electrostatic unit, ESU, of charge. The charge on one electron is charged particle. The charge on an electron is equal to minus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 electrostatic unit. Now SI unit. In SI unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, the charge on one electron is equal to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now what will be relation between coulomb and state coulomb, SI unit और CGS system? यहाँ क्या है? चार्ज ऑन वन इलेक्ट्रॉन इन CGS system, charge on one electron in SI unit. So both charge will be same because this is charge on one electron. So now you can find out relation between coulomb and electrostatic unit. So here, since minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is equal to minus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 electrostatic unit. Therefore, by unitary method, 1 coulomb minus you can cancel to 1 coulomb, that is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 divided by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 electrostatic unit. Therefore, 1 coulomb is equal to, here you can cancel by 3. So 3 into 10 to the power 9 electrostatic unit. This relation you are getting. 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 9 state coulomb or electrostatic unit. Now there are some smaller unit. Milli, micro, nano, macro, pico. Now you can see some relations. So since 1 milli coulomb is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 coulomb, 1 micro coulomb is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb, 1 nano coulomb is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, 1 micro coulomb or 1 pico coulomb is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb. In this way you can remember this. Now student, define 1 coulomb charge. 1 coulomb charge, you know, charge is a quantity of collection of electrons, and how much has 1 coulomb charge. 1 coulomb को कैसे define करोगे? तो from Coulomb's law. What is Coulomb's law? दो पॉइंट चार्जेज हैं सेपरेटेड बाय सर्टेन डिस्टेंस, फोर्स एक्ट करेगा, अट्रैक्टिव और रिपल्सिव फोर्स. F is equal to, from Coulomb's law, F is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 Q1 Q2 by R square. With the help of this formula you can define 1 Coulomb charge. अब कैसे डिफाइन करोगे? If Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q, say माना suppose, and R is equal to 1 and F is equal to 9 to 10 to the power 9 Newton, then अब F के प्लेस पर यू कैन पुट दिस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9 और Q इंटू Q स्क्वायर, R के प्लेस पर 1 मीटर स्क्वायर. तो दिस यू कैन कैंसिल. यू विल गेट Q स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1. सो Q इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस C प्लस माइनस 1 कूलम. Q इज इक्वल टू, हाउ विल यू डिफाइन दिस 1 कूलम चार्ज? तो 1 कूलम चार्ज किस तरह डिफाइन करोगे? ये देखो चार्ज है, कितना चार्ज है? 1 कूलम. यहाँ भी क्या है? 1 कूलम चार्ज है, लाइक चार्ज है. Q इज इक्वल टू प्लस 1 कूलम प्लस 1 कूलम और माइनस 1 कूलम. प्लस 1 कूलम मीन्स लाइक चार्जेस, प्लस प्लस, और माइनस मीन्स माइनस माइनस चार्ज. क्या बीच में होगा? रिपेलिंग फोर्स एक्ट करेगा, रिपल्सिव फोर्स एक्ट करेगा. और ये दोनों चार्ज सेपरेटेड कितना है? 1 मीटर डिस्टेंस. तो दोनों के बीच क्या होगा? रिपेलिंग फोर्स एक्ट करेगा. इधर भी क्या एक्ट करेगा? रिपेलिंग फोर्स. कितना फोर्स एक्ट करेगा? F इज इक्वल टू 9 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 9 न्यूटन. देन हाउ विल यू डिफाइन 1 कूलम चार्ज? So this 1 coulomb charge, how will you define? So 1 coulomb can be defined as charge which repels equivalent similar charge placed at a distance of 1 meter from it in a vacuum or air with a force of 9 to 10 to the power 9 Newton. What is 1 coulomb charge? 1 coulomb is that charge which repels equal or similar charge separated by 1 meter distance placed in vacuum or air with a force of 9 to 10 to the power 9 Newton से. So this is your 1 coulomb charge. 1 coulomb charge you can define with the help of Coulomb's law. 1 coulomb charge also you can define with the help of other formula. This formula you have read. I is equal to Q by T. I electric current, charge, time. Electric current, rate of flow of charge through a conductor is known as electric current. The electric current is measured in ampere, charge is measured in coulomb, और time is measured in second. अब इसके हेल्प से you can define. How will you define 1 coulomb charge? Charge is said to be 1 coulomb if 1 ampere current flows through a conductor in 1 second. इस तरह से डिफाइन कर सकते हो. तो वन डिफिनेशन with the help of this formula, one definition from Coulomb's law, Q1 Q2 by R square. ये दो फॉर्मूला के हेल्प से you can define 1 coulomb charge. Okay, 1 coulomb charge with the help of this formula, and with the help of this formula also you can define 1 coulomb charge.